the law of reverse. This is very important if you want to go into a transformation. If you want to change sadness, disease, and misery into happiness, health, and prosperity, you must think, speak, and act in ways which are the exact reverse of how most people think, speak, and act. Let's put that in perspective. This is a study, somebody talked about this before, that was published in, I believe, 2019. 88% of adult Americans are metabolically unhealthy. So, let's go back to the law of reverse. If you want to be healthy, should you do what most people do or the exact reverse? Here's the answer. Go the other way and you will get healthy.